Romo mar keto mwandu ma bende ywayo joket mwandu chopo odiechieng' mare mar adek kendo mogik kawuono e boma ma Homa Bay. Jotelo mopogore opogore dhi nyime kod twak ewi thuolo mar ohala kod tudruok gi kaunti ma Homa Bay. Wawinjo ane nyakwa Ramogi gie sani kaka twagno dhi nyime kama gavana mar kaunti ma Kisumu Ngire Peter Nyang'nyong'o ma dhi nyime gi twak gi kindeni.
Individual counties as well as the entire LREB region. First, it is important to note that key development opportunities for the region lie in the currently underexploited expanse of the region's natural resources. Such known gold deposits in Kakamega and Migori are still not yet fully harnessed for both job and wealth creation by more intensive capital investment to enhance productivity. Second, agricultural potential exists in the whole region. Migori County has great potential in building on sugarcane and tobacco farming, as well as fishing along Lake Victoria coastline. Kisumu and Homa Bay counties have potential for rice and cotton farming, as well as the cultivation of sorghum and sugarcane. We are delighted to learn that Anderson Consultants, in collaboration with Jacob Turkey, have gone a long way in preparing to invest in the vegetable oil industry in Homa Bay. Third, we are now a region for opportunities for the development of hydropower. We must continue to put pressure to accelerate implementation of new hydroelectric projects in the region. Exploration needs to be done on other rivers and Awash in hydroelectricity. An estimated 15% of the agriculture GDP. We continue pushing for the sugar tax. Approximately 200,000 small farmers, predominantly from the region, operate in the sugar industry and supply over 90% of the grain meal processing companies. A good number which have little interest in the economic transformation of our region. Granted that the industry directly and indirectly employs approximately Kenyans, and that is as additional economic contribution to Kenyan earnings. The needs to seriously engage with these companies. Their low impact on the economic transformation of our region. I believe strongly in this, and I think we shall work together to engage companies, not just to extract value from their own capital, but make sure they have the region by investing in the region is first. Fifth, it's also worth an organization. The United Nations worth 50 billion shillings in the area. This focus mainly on enhancing job creation for youth and women, improving food and nutrition security, improving marks and creating an environment. Projects that the CEO of LREB is referring to. These projects are anchored on Kenya's vision and the Big Four agenda and were meant to help LREB achieve its economic broad agenda. Some of the projects one in this project funded by SIDA was being in Siaya and Kakamega County. This program is being implemented. I hope Governor Orengo, you are seized of that. Kakamega and Kisumu counties, and by Food and Agriculture Organization between 2020 and 2024. It's due to end at the end, and we need to review in Elred that under what circumstances should be extended. 4.